I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the exact Qualcomm chipset and Windows build so you download the right package. Once you have the driver file, run as administrator to avoid permission errors. Make sure to temporarily disable antivirus that can block installers. Use Device Manager now. Locate the device, note the current driver version, and choose Update Driver to point to the downloaded folder. This first action reduces mismatch risks and gets you immediately into the update flow. Once done with the preliminary file, you perform the actual install via Device Manager or the vendor installer. Make sure to choose Browse My Computer and point to the extracted driver folder, and use Let Me Pick if Windows fails to auto-detect. If prompted about unsigned INF files, verify source and proceed only if trusted. After installation, reboot to finalize driver registration. Then reopen Device Manager to confirm the driver version updated, and the device shows no error icons. You finish by validating that the Qualcomm hardware functions as expected. Run any device-specific tests, connectivity checks, or benchmarks. If something goes wrong, make sure to use rollback driver immediately or boot into safe mode to uninstall and then reinstall the previous stable driver. Keep one key troubleshooting tip in mind. Always collect Device Manager status and event viewer logs before escalating, because those logs show exact failure codes that help you or support resolve signature, compatibility, or installation conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.